開拓中東市場嘅機遇同挑戰有咩睇法咧？同埋政府會唔會因為局勢咁有消息至今最快今日咧立法會政府會向立法會提交專？
第一咧係對於喺中東嘅局勢緊張，導致燃油嘅價格上升，甚至係供應有所影響咧，政府係非常關注。願景同埋目標，市民可以更清晰咁了解到5年之後。So we will be seeing shocks and volatility. In regard to supply of oil, because of the disruption in supply, oil price has gone up. We will, of course, take action to try to mitigate the risks. So what the government is working on is, first of all, ensuring that there will be a stable energy supply. And we also want to ensure that transparency of information relating to supply and energy prices will be enhanced. And the government will continue to monitor price fluctuations as well as the reasonableness and need of price adjustments. And we will also remind service providers of their social responsibility. Obviously, disruption in oil supply affects different parts of the world, Hong Kong included. So all cities and all governments are working to mitigate the risk.
特區政府喺追求發展速度同埋提升規劃質量之間，係做咗啲咩平衡？
我亦都強調必須提供多啲資訊，有關供應同埋價格變動嘅即時資訊，令到社會咧係更加了解，增加個透明度。我哋接觸嘅供應商咧已經係包括例如電力公司啦、航空公司啦，同埋燃油或者汽油嘅公司等等。協調研究就專題舉行聯席或者分組會議收集。政府亦都會打擊一啲非法活動嘅，包括咧任何人士去偷運一啲燃油由內地嚟到香港做非法嘅轉注，我哋會經海關同埋消防處咧加強執法。反應正面，我多謝佢認同我嘅建議。For stability, security, I think Hong Kong is a showcase to the world that under one country, two systems, Hong Kong will be very safe, which will be a big contrast to the situation now in Middle East. So investors and businesses looking for diversification at the same time looking for security of their investment will definitely look to Hong Kong.
戰事就令到油價上升啦，令到好多嘅運輸成本都上漲，影響好多。